Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a pivot table in Excel by using two different methods. Placing it in a new worksheet and within the same worksheet. This tool will help you analyze large dataset in seconds. So let's begin. Open your worksheet. Here is the data we will use. It contains employee sales records with columns like date, employee, region, product, and sales. Make sure your data has clear column headers and no blank rows or columns. To create the first pivot table, click any cell in the dataset, go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. In the dialog box, choose New Worksheet and hit OK. Excel will create a new worksheet with a blank pivot table layout. So here, drag region into rows and drag product into columns. Drag sales into values. This gives us a quick summary of sales by product and region. Now let's see how to create a pivot table in the same sheet as your data. Again, select any cell in your dataset. Go to Insert and click on Pivot Table. This time, choose Existing Worksheet. Click inside the location box and select a blank cell in a worksheet and click OK. Now your pivot table is placed in the same sheet without jumping to the another tab. Now drag employee into rows, product into columns, and sales into values field. This view let us compare employee performance by product without switching sheets. If you change the source data, your pivot table doesn't update automatically. Right click anywhere in the pivot table and select refresh to update it. That's how you can easily create pivot table in the same worksheet and in the new tab. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you.